Okay, so this is a dual head. It's done 2 hours and it's failed already. And by the looks of it, it's not. Oh, it's hard to tell now because I've had to heat the nozzle up and everything to get the needle valves and everything out. But it's not at the centerpiece with the O-ring. But it's, if you look at the two hex flaps that screw into the top, very difficult to see. But the one on the left here is fine. The one on the right, it's actually lifted up. Not by much, but it's enough, and it looks like rather than oozing from the centre, the plastic's oozed everywhere else, out from the edges. So yeah, crap tolerances again on machining by the looks of it. Right, there you go. Go on, just do what you're doing with it. Pivot it back in now. That's it. Pivot it out. Pivot in. Pivot out.
That will have to do with getting out.